Hi everybody, we are at Martha's Rivers Park here in Gastonia, North Carolina, and it's Coffee and Cars Day here at the park. And we're going to walk around and see some cool cars. So let's go! And it looks like they have a bunch of people out here today with their cool cars. They got new and vintage cars out here. So walk around and look at these wonderful cars. Yeah, get them all out here. Check out this Audi. This is beautiful right here. Tour Deluxe Rally. Love that yellow one there too. And look at this McLaren. Wow. That's something else right there. It's actually a dealership not too far from where we live. That's amazing right there. Love that carbon look to it, the white. Here's the back of that alley right here. So cool. They got some very fancy cars here, that's for sure. Got this guy right next to it. Right here, look at that one. V8 turbo, that's a Mercedes. That's nice. Oh, you got the Viper right here. Always like that body style. Always thought that was cool. Look at that. Turn here. Look at this guy. Not sure. It's a Lamborghini. Look for the. Yep, there it is. Lamborghini. Very nice. And more Maserati right here. Let's get a shot of that engine. Yeah, there's your mid-engine right there. Nice. Right behind you got a Cobra over here. Look at that. They have a little bit of everything here. It's my first time to this event too. I found it on Facebook because I was looking for some cool car events to take you to. Saw this one. I thought I'd come out here and see what they have. A little bit of everything. A lot of Mustangs. Chevrolet right here. Nice. So cool. Oh, that's nice. Modified big time. It's beautiful. Love the color too. So that shows you the shows he's gone to. Stickers on there. Yeah, I'm just doing a walk through for you all. Cobra right here. Oh, look at this guy right here. It's a Pontiac. I believe it is. Could be wrong. Let me see. Nice. GTO. Oh, that's nice. Yep, Pontiac. Yeah. So cool. And here's a Bel Air right here. Connie's favorite car. I love that red. Look at that. Got the dice in the window. Oh, these are great. Got another Chevrolet over here. Love that blue. Sparkly interior. That's so cool. Nice. Undone. It's a license plate. I'm just letting it play. My music with it. Check this guy out over here.
It's like nice drive without the crowd.
Nice. One of my favorite body styles for sure. Very cool. CAR. There's the interior. I like the white and black. It's cool. Check the steering wheel. I'd have to get used to that, I think. Yeah. Yep, trucks here too. Pickups. Nice Chevrolet. Chevelle right here. 50. That's beautiful. Get a shot of the back. There you go. Check that guy out right there. That's something else. That Hellcat, I think it is. Got Hemi in there. Charge Hemi. Nice.
They're running motorcycles through.
Got all ages of people here too. Different eras of cars. Bel Air. That's a nice one. Shot inside. Wow. Yeah, I'm just checking all these out. And Subaru right here. Like I said, got a little bit of everything. That's really nice. Yeah, I want to show you every type of car you can possibly have that can be sported out big time. It's Ford right here. ST 4-door. Looks like a fun little car to drive. Back of it here. That Corvette here is the mid-engine. The new ones. Look at that. Wow. That is nice. But look at all these guys over here. A little bit of everything. Got the CRX over there too. There's a blue one with the new Corvette. Mid-engine. You get Sonic the Hedgehog. Check him out. Nice. Oh, how the doors come up. That's so cool. Look at that. Nice. This one here. Oh, look at that engine. No squeeze room in that. It's all engine. Nice Camaro here. Look at the skunk. Pepe Le Pew. Yeah, stinker. Maryland. Wow, SS. Nice. Oh, check this paint job out. That's the Ghost Rider. I think we've seen this one before at a car show. Yeah, I think we saw it at the Charlotte Motor Speedway. Yeah. That's cool. Ghost Rider 2. Another vet right here. Another convertible vet. Indianapolis 500 pace car version. Looks like it says 50th anniversary. I don't know why I said that. I thought it said 500 there. It's 50th anniversary vet. Nice. Look at all these. It's good showing today here. I wasn't sure how big it was going to be. The Camaro. Look at the Punisher paint job. Got the engine all lit up. Very nice. Got the specs right here of the engine of the car. 5th generation Camaro of the Carolinas. Must be the Camaro Club. Look at the lights on here. Kind of accented around the headlights and the fog lights. Got a shot of the inside of it. They did a great job with this one. Love the interior. Color coordinated very nicely. So cool. I just love looking at cars. Beautiful. This guy here. Nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed our tour of these wonderful cars at this little car show here in Gastonia. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, hope you enjoyed just seeing these pieces of art. All right, guys, stay tuned for more. Yep, and guys, take care. Be sure to subscribe. It's free. Bye-bye.